Want to know exactly how much you'll pay per month before you buy? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to calculate your Klarna installments for any purchase amount. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Klarna makes budgeting easy by splitting your total cost into manageable, equal payments. Let me walk you through the simple math. For pay in 4 purchases, the calculation is straightforward. Take the total card value, including tax and shipping, and divide it by 4. The first payment is due at checkout, and the remaining 3 are automatically charged every 2 weeks. For longer-term financing, the app will provide a detailed schedule. You can see the number of payments, the amount for each payment, and the due dates before you even confirm your order. The easiest way to see this is during checkout. After selecting Klarna, you'll be shown a complete payment schedule. No manual calculation needed. You can also use the price calculator on Klarna's website or within the app. A crucial pro tip: remember that pay in 4 is interest-free. For larger purchases with financing, always check the terms to see if it's a 0% APR offer or if interest applies, as this will affect your total payment amount. And just like that, you can budget for your purchase with perfect clarity. Understanding your installments is the key to stress-free shopping with Klarna. Do you prefer pay in 4 or longer-term financing for bigger purchases? Share your preference below. To understand the system behind the scenes, watch our next video on how does Klarna approval work. Thanks for watching.